Let's be honest, gear is only important when it gets in a way or a new camera hit the shelves. But until then, I'm just gonna do one of my favorite videos to watch, and that is a what's in my camera bag. But this is a Fujifilm edition / following the recipe edition. But before we dive in, following the recipe is a series I'm working on where I take my Fujifilm gear out and capture images using custom recipes through film simulations on each of my cameras. Enough talk, let's jump in. First up is the FujiFilm X-H1. This is my main workhorse. Insane in-body image stabilization for photography, and with boost mode, it makes it even better. You add the grip and you're looking at some seriously stable shots. Ergonomics are spot on, build quality is up there with the best. Whether you're shooting video or stills, this camera delivers. Next is the FujiFilm X100F. This compact beast is my go-to for street photography. It's got a fixed 23mm f2 lens that is great for candid moments, and with the hybrid viewfinder, it has that perfect feel of vintage and modern. Throw a dumb grips on there when you don't want to use flash, but when you do want to use flash, you can grab something like the Godox Lux Jr. and go full modern vintage with it. For lenses, I keep it versatile but light. The FujiFilm XF 35mm f1.8 is my sharpshooter. It's lightweight with bokeh that's just, smooth and dreamy. Then there's the TT Artisan 27mm f2.8. Don't let the budget price fool you. This one got solid performance and is great for when I want to keep my Fujifilm X-H1 kit pretty light. And finally, the TT Artisan 25mm f2.0. This is the lens that I pick when I'm in the mood for a more analog feel with the Fujifilm X-H1. Now my latest addition is the Fujifilm X-H2S. This camera is a little monster in a category all of its own. It's got speed, image quality, especially for video. Hands down, one of the best cameras I've used. Paired with the Fujifilm X-H2S, I have the Sirui 24mm, 35mm, and 55mm t1.2 lenses. These lenses are my go-to for capturing cinematic footage. Guys, fast apertures, sharp but still pleasing image quality. I've used this lens camera combo on professional shoots. Great image quality, hands down, no complaints. Now let's talk accessories. First up, my Peak Design aluminum tripod. This is not the carbon fiber one, so it is not light at all. This is a heavy tripod, but it is sturdy, and it's my go-to for just about anything that I do, from professional shoots for real estate photography to some of the videos that I shot on this channel. For straps, I'm all about Peak Design. I've got 2 camera straps, super easy to adjust and comfortable enough for those long days when I'm out shooting with both the X100F and X-H1. And I've got the Peak Design wrist strap for that extra bit of security when I don't want to use the neck strap with the X100F. Next up, we have filters. I've been running around with the Freewell K2 magnetic filters. These are solid ND filters, not variable ND filters. May not be for everyone, but I found that they've worked in most situations that I have been in. Can't recommend them enough. And of course, spare batteries for each camera. Running out of battery mid-shoot is something nobody wants to experience. Last but not least, we have the camera bag. This is the PGY Tech 1 Mo. This is the main bag I'll be using for the series. I have some slings that I'll be using throughout the series. We'll get to those when I figure out which one I want to use. I have a couple. I do have the PGY Tech 1 Go, and also have another sling, or 2 more sling bags I'm kind of decide that I want to use when I'm out on the go. This is going to be the main bag that I use for this series based on the amount of gear, as you saw earlier on the table. These are the essentials that I'm starting out with to help me capture everything from street photography to cinematic video. I do have other highly capable lenses and gear that I will be bringing out if I feel I need them. I'm sure they will make an appearance in an updated kit video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and make sure you subscribe. And I would like to know what's in your camera bag. Let me know down in the comments while staying awesome. Stay awesome.